up, you guys? In today's video, I am sharing with you how to put together outfits that look really intentional and finished off rather than just thrown together. We all know those ladies that no matter what's going on in their life, they just look put together. There's something about them that just looks really polished. So I'm gonna share with you the 5 outfit completers. They are as they sound. In the spring and fall, those really transitional seasons, these completers may be actual articles of clothing. So whether that is a scarf or a jacket or a beanie, but when we're looking in the summer when it's already hot and we don't want to layer up, typically these completers are going to be accessories. They're going to round out your look in a really simple way. Before we get into these 5 outfit completers, I just want to share why I love them so much. Number 1, obviously, they round out your outfit. They make you look complete. Number 2, they're practical. They are going to layer up in those transitional seasons and add some extra layers and some warmth. But the third reason, the one that I love them the most, is outfit completers not just complete your outfit, but they also define it. You could be wearing the exact same jeans and a tee, but with one of these 5 completers, it could take the outfit from casual to dressy, or dressy to casual, or even chic to edgy. Right? It'll just completely define and maybe even transform your outfit. Okay, let's get into the 5 completers. The first outfit completer that I love, that I am always going to, is hats. And even if you have dubbed yourself
not a hat person,
there is a hat for you. There is a hat for every occasion. There is a hat for every personality, whether that is from baseball caps to fedoras to wide-brimmed hats. So if you want to keep it super casual, if you are a jeans and tee kind of gal, add on a baseball cap. It's easy, it'll shade your face, but it will just also complete your outfit and add another easy casual accessory to it. If you love those wide-brimmed floppy hats, wear it with a dress. Go to the pool. Not only is it going to be practical and shade you from the sun because it's like 100 degrees out, but it's going to be cute. It's going to round out your whole outfit. And then if you want to dress it up even more, look for a stiffer boat hat. By pairing this kind of hat with a going out dress, it's going to fit a more dressier occasion. So there's a hat for everyone. As you can see in my before and after, I'm just wearing a super simple, comfortable black dress. It's great, it's easy, but something is clearly missing. I add my floppy wide-brimmed hat and instantly it's complete. It's just rounded out. Number 2 are belts. Belts are a very easy and quick way to achieve 2 goals. The first goal is to give you a waist or define the waist that you already have. And the second goal is just to create some visual interest in your outfit. And that could be by way of a pattern or a color or a texture on your belt. I love this dress, I do. It's easy breezy and it's wonderful, but it does not photograph well. It just doesn't. So by adding a belt, not only is it going to cinch in my waist, create some definition, also balance out my silhouette to look a little bit more hourglass, but it's also going to create another layer of visual interest. It's got the pattern, it's got the texture, and I love that it helps round out my outfit. If you are in need of some belt options, I will link a few below. Number 3, add a bright lip color. Now in
my humble opinion,
I hate when people say that, adding a bright lipstick is the quickest way to switch up your look and to complete your outfit. Now, I know some people are wary of bright lips. Maybe it's not their thing or they don't really know how to do it or have the confidence. I'm not gonna leave you hanging. Here is one really easy tip when choosing a new fun bright color. If you have warmer undertones in your skin, so more yellows or olives, then you are gonna wanna match that with a warmer lip color. So your corals, pinks, oranges, anything that is gonna bring out the warmth in your face. And if you have cooler undertones in your skin, you're gonna match that with a cooler lip color. So those are your purples, your bluer reds. And if you don't know what your skin tone is, if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you are still unclear, then I've done a video on how to quickly identify what your undertones are. I'll link it above and down below for you to check out. This look is cute. It's put together and I love it, but it is just lacking something. By adding that lip color, not only does it complete it and pull it together, but it also elevates it. So I could take this exact same outfit from the splash pad with kids during the day with some flip-flops on to swipe that lip and a new heel, and now I can go out to dinner with my husband at night. Guys, it's so easy and just makes such a big difference. Number 4, layer up with a light jacket. Having this summer weight light jacket is essential for layering up on cooler nights. Whether you are going to a restaurant that is blasting the AC, we've all been there, or whether wherever you live it just cools down at night, it's nice to have this piece. But I do have some shopping tips for you when you're getting this. Number one, look for a color that works with your style and your coloring. You want this jacket to work seamlessly with the rest of your wardrobe. So for me, I stick to earthy tones. I like my beiges, my olives, oranges, so I'm not gonna go out there and buy a bright blue jacket. It's just not gonna work. It's not gonna work with my coloring or with my existing pieces. Number two, find a lightweight material. It is still summer, so it's gonna look odd if you have a wool jacket on with your summer dress. I prefer natural fibers. Cotton, linen, something that's gonna easily breathe. I actually prefer a cotton linen blend, so you get the breathability, you get the look of linen, but it's not gonna wrinkle like 100% linen. I hate wrinkly clothes, so that blend is really important. Number three, invest in a classic style jacket that you can use for years. So maybe instead of getting that oversized menswear blazer that's really in right now, invest in a more traditional cut. Something that you can wear 5 years down the line and it still looks really current. I love this look right here. I love the fit, I love the bright colors, but it's just missing something, right? By adding this jacket, it instantly elevates the outfit and just rounds it out. It just completes it, and I love how easy it is to achieve this look. The fifth and final way to complete your outfit is with a statement bag. Now, I love a classic neutral bag. I recommend investing in a very neutral classic bag, but I also recommend getting yourself a really good statement bag that is gonna amp up any of your neutral outfits. This bag could be a fun, bright color, a cool pattern, or a really interesting texture, but it's gonna add a lot to your outfit, especially more of those neutral outfits. You also don't have to spend a lot of money for this kind of statement bag. I actually recommend not spending a lot of money. This summer, these market totes are very in, very current. Find yourself one in a bright color or with some really interesting details. Right away, adding this purple to my outfit changes it. It completes it and it elevates it. Well, there you have it, 5 easy and inexpensive ways to complete your outfit. Thanks for watching, y'all.